Well, hello, weather fans. CherkyB here from CherkyB Weather, not your best source of blog weather observations. We're not a forecasting site. And once again, I know you're going to get tired of hearing this. We're having a big thunderstorm. Now, the weather alert radio just went off, the National Weather Service, which is a forecasting site, has said, hey, guess what, guys? Golf ball size hail is headed your way in the next few minutes. I don't want golf ball size hail. Golf ball size hail sounds exciting if you're watching it on a YouTube video. If you own a house that gets hit by golf ball size hail, it's not as much fun as maybe you'd want it to be. I'm not sure what this thing here is. There's a thing like over here, a little white thing. I don't actually see that in real life. I don't know what that is because I see it on the camera. I don't see it in real life, but if I tilt the camera, it like moves up and down. It's clearly some sort of artifact or something. Oh boy, you got some good lightning going on there, huh? Look at that. That's pretty exciting. We're out on the front porch today, where I'm underneath a roof. See, I've got a little roof over my head here, so I don't get soaked like I do in my other videos. If golf ball sized hail shows up, I will let you know. You guys see that little, that white thing there? You see that right there? Is that there? Is it just on my monitor? It seems to be there. It moves around like a bug. I don't know what it is. Huh. Strange. Okay, well, I'll keep an eye on this and I'll let you know when the hail starts. The weather's not normally like this all the time. I mean, a few of these in the spring, but like 6 out of 7 days this summer. I assume it's because Donald Trump is president. Okay, I know it's not because Donald Trump is president. That was sarcasm. And if you guys can tell, it's sarcasm. Put out a whole bunch of weed killer today. Luckily that weed killer becomes waterproof after about an hour. And, you know, it's been about 8 hours probably since I did it. Maybe 9. 15 gallons of weed killer. 3 of the gallons were the stuff that lasts 6 months. And then the other 12 gallons was just regular old 2,4-D that you can spray on the lawn and doesn't kill the lawn. Still waiting for the golf ball size hail. Oh, wow. I tell you, this is just a really cool place to live if you like weather. If you're afraid of weather, this is probably not the best place to live, because we get a lot of thunderstorms like this, and we get snow and the occasional tornado. My cars are safe in the garage, except for the one that I own that Hannah has, which is probably parked on the street, a ways from here. That car's a goner if the golf ball size hail comes. lot of lightning. I feel safer today than yesterday because I'm not standing out on the back deck, you know. I'm on the front porch. I moved a little to the left, so now I've got this nice sort of archway over me, but I still, you know, I'm still sort of under a roof. Well, I guess if lightning decides to hit that tree, it'll be uncomfortable for me. I've heard that people who survive lightning strikes, like they get hit by lightning and don't die, but they actually don't live very long. I don't know whether that's true or not. It's just something I think my dad told me. I don't really remember. I could probably look it up. Van Halen song, Light Up the Sky, right? The old original Van Halen. Haven't seen any actual bolts of lightning. I think they're more overhead now. We're seeing the residual lightning might be a little north of me. We're facing approximately south here. Might be a little off south. Let's see. I think this is south. I think that's south. So we're facing darn close to south. See what we got going on over here. It's the same. You can see some water coming down. It's still no hail. This is all just rain right now. I'm sure my driveway is starting to flood over there. It's hard to see. But it floods, of course. We've covered that in a couple other videos. I'm going to go back over here because it's a nicer place to stand. I don't get as wet. Because the roof sticks out another, I'm going to say 5 feet in front of me. So I'm probably 6 or 7 feet from the edge of the roof. To that fence. There's the pond. Needs some water. Everything lights up. It's really pretty. Really pretty. In an imminent death sort of way. Okay, I'm going to pause here because it looks like not much is happening, and I'll start up again if it gets exciting again. With a landscape light, you can get an idea of all of the rain coming down. Take a look in the backyard. It just keeps lighting up, right? It's nighttime. Ooh, look, it's like daytime. Nope, night. Nope. Daytime. Nope, nighttime. Daytime. Nope, night. Day. Night. All right, that's going to get tiring really quickly. Harpo has just texted me that they're getting worse hail at his house than they had yesterday. Now, I didn't get any hail yesterday. He doesn't live that far from me. He lives maybe 5-6 miles from me. West. It was 5 or 6 miles west of me. So that's that way. Oh boy, the wind has just picked up.
The severe part's heading right towards us.
And the severe part is heading right towards us. Harpo just texted me that he's getting really bad hail at his house. He's apparently an associate weather observer. wet. So if I stand over here, not totally getting wet, I'm getting soaked. I have IP67 weather or water resistance on my phone. Hopefully that's good. I don't want to have to get a third one of these. The first one was defective. Got a second one. It's a nice phone. You know what, if I stand over here, I'm sheltered from the wind, because the wind is coming from the right, which would be the west. Just a lot of lightning. Alright, I'm gonna pause here and we'll come back when the hail starts. Yeah, still no hail here. Harpos thinks his wife's car is wrecked. Well, damaged because it's in the driveway. El Torito says no hail with him either. El Torito is about 1.5 miles that way. On a beautiful sunny day, you can see his neighborhood if you stand on my roof. Today's not a beautiful sunny day, or a day that I'm going to go stand on the roof. This hummingbird thing here is spinning and flashing. It's kind of pretty. The missus wanted me to film. Looks better from the other side. There we go. Still a lot of lightning, huh? But no hail. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you start it yet?
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I
wet.
started it 5 seconds
It's
ago,
dripping.
actually.
It's dripping. Why is it dripping? The gutters in this house don't work. Should I start now?
You could have started 15 seconds ago.
15 seconds.
You're gonna have some
Okay,
editing
folks.
to do.
Well, it looks like we didn't get the hail. I'm sorry. Hopefully, Harpo captured some footage of the hail that I can put up in this video. If you gotten to this point and there's no hail footage, you know that Harpo didn't, which is probably 99% likely. But you know, the worst of it is moved beyond us. We just got a lot of lightning and thunder and rain, but no hail and no damaging winds or none of that stuff that you all want to happen. You're just like, I want to see CherkyB's house get flattened. I'm kind of happy, you know, it didn't get flattened. But all right, CherkyB, whether or not your best source of blog-worthy weather observations, out.